pangalan ng program, no, para ma-highlight natin. It's called the Joint Resolution Adopting the NWRB Program in collaboration with the LUA on the acquisition of water rights of local water districts operating with existing water sources without water permits. So, kung mapapansin nyo dun sa umpisang portion ng title, it's a joint resolution. It's quite different from the usual board resolution na ini-issue ng NWRB whenever we have a new policy. This is a joint resolution, so it's a joint effort with the Local Water Utilities Administration because we recognize na even though the NWRB has the jurisdiction over the country's water resources and the LUA naman has jurisdiction over the water districts, these two government entities recognize that basically we are regulating one water sector. The NWRB recognizes the water districts as one of the biggest water users when it comes to municipal purpose. However, through the years of monitoring, nakita namin na yung mga water districts, meron pa silang mga sources na baka hindi pa nalilegalize. So, we decided to collaborate with the LUA to promote nga itong legalization of the water sources by the water districts applying for the appropriate water permits. Bakit kailangan mag-apply for a water permit? Legally speaking, kailangan mag-apply for a water permit because all water sources in the country are owned by the state. So, the state may undertake the development of these water sources, or it may partner with other entities, be it a government entity or private entity, for the development and utilization of this water resources through administrative concession. Ngayon, itong administrative concession, ito yung tinatawag nating system of water rights in which the entities who are wishing to appropriate or utilize water will apply for a water permit before the NWRB. So, wala pong exempted dito. May mga exempted na uses, for example, for domestic use. But basically, if you want to utilize or appropriate water, you have to secure the approval of the NWRB. So now that's on the legal side. Practically and technically speaking naman, we need all the water appropriators to apply for a water permit kasi gusto naming malaman kung ilan ang nagagamit, gaano kadalas, at ilan pa yung natitira na pwede pang i-allocate sa iba't ibang mga purposes. So, yun naman ang dalawang dahilan kung bakit kailangan mag-apply ng water permit. So, under this program sa Joint Resolution nga, ang tinatarget namin na makapag-apply at makapag-legalize na kanilang sources ay yung mga water district. This program spans 6 months from the date of signing. So, November 14 siya napirmahan and it will end middle of May. So, yun na yung buong 6 months for the water districts to take advantage of this program and for the LUA to promote this program to its water districts. Para po sa mga kaibigan namin sa mga water districts, inaanyayahan po namin kayo to take advantage of this program, which is a joint effort of the NWRB and the LUA. Sana po, bago po matapos yung 6 months na period that we allotted for this program, ay makapag-apply na po kayo ng mga water permits for your water sources which are yet to have their corresponding water permits. For more information, you can visit our website at www.nwrb.gov.ph, and we also have a Facebook page, National Water Resources Board.